Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today, we will discuss naman about the length of arc theorem. The length of an arc theorem, no? The length of an arc with measure a degree is given by the formula arc length equal to a over by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So yung a natin dito is the yung given arc, no? Where your r is the radius and a is the given arc of the circle. Now example here, no? We have circle O here and then central angle AOB and then arc AB. So yung radius natin dito is 8 and then the length of arc is equal to 9. I mean the degree of arc is 90 degrees from A to B. Now what is the length of arc here? To find it, now we will use this formula. Length of arc AB is equal to measure of arc AB over by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. Substitute your measure of arc AB here to 90. Then we have 360 here times 2 pi. Your R here is equal to 8. Okay? Then, lowest term of 90 over by 360 is 1/4. Then 2 pi times 8 is equal to 16. Then cancel this out. Or pwede naman, no? 1 times 16 pi is 16 pi. Divide by 4 is equal to 4 pi. So ito yung magiging length of arc AB natin. 4 pi lang. Okay? Hindi tayo gagamit ng value ng pi dito. No? So, pi lang. Pwede na yan. Next, number 2. Ito ulit yung figure. No? So, this time, circle O, may central angle siya na COD, then arc CD. Now, the radius here is 5. The length of arc here is 240. What is the measure of arc CD? I mean, CED. No? Sorry. Itong 240 pala sa CED to. No, hindi this one ha. Ito pala. No, mali ako. CED. Now, the measure of arc CED is 240. So what is the length of arc CED? Ilan din yung length nito? No, pag measure. Now, using this formula, length of arc CED is equal to measure of arc CED over by 360 times 2 pi r. Substitute your CED to 240 times 2 pi times your r is 5. I get the lowest term. We have 2/3. No? 240 over by 360. Lowest term is 2/3. 2 pi times 10 times 5 is 10 pi. Then 2 times 10 is 20 pi over by 3. Can we divide 20 over by 3? No. So ito yung magiging length of arc CED natin. 2 pi over by 3. Okay? Next, number 3. If the length of the arc AB is 6 pi and its measure is 60 degrees, what is the radius of the circle? By this time naman, given na yung length of arc, okay, at saka yung degree ng arc, what are we going to find here is the radius of the circle. Now, substitute your length of arc to 6 pi, no? And then yung measure of arc AB natin to 60 over by 360 times 2 pi times r. Kasi anong pa yung r natin dito? Now, lowest term 60 over by 360 is 1/6 and then multiply it by 6, no? Equal to 6 times 6 pi equal to 2 pi r. We have 6 times 6 is 30. This could be 36. Okay, mali ako dito. This one is 36, no? Then we'll change it to 10. Tayo. Okay? 6 times 6 pi is 36 pi, no? Then divide both sides by 2 pi. Cancel this out, cancel this out then, no? No. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then cancel this out. We have your r here is 18. Okay? Next, number 4. If the length of arc AB is 4 pi over by 5 and its radius is 12, what is the measure of arc AB? So this time naman, given yung length of arc AB at saka yung radius niya, ang hahanapin natin is the measure of arc AB. Again, by using this formula, no? Length of arc AB is equal to 4 pi over by 5. Then measure of arc AB is unknown over by 360 times 2 pi times your R here is 12. Now, simplify muna natin to. Okay? 2 pi times 12 is 24 pi. Then now, 4 pi over by 5 equal to multiply, no? 24 pi times measure of arc AB over by 360. Then, 4 pi over by 5 ulit. Get the lowest term of 24 over by 360. Then that is 1 over by 15. So, natira, instead of writing 1, we have pi times measure of arc AB. Then now, cross multiply tayo. 4 pi times 15 degrees, 5 times pi times measure of arc AB. 4 times 15 is 60. Okay? Then we have 5 pi measure of arc AB. Then divide both sides by 5 pi, no? Cancel this out, no? Cancel this out. Then 60 divided by 5 is 12. Your measure of arc AB here is 12. 12 degrees. Okay? So, medyo mahaba, no? Unahin natin ito, multiply. And then ito naman ang i-multiply natin. Then get the LCD. I mean the lowest term. And then cross multiply. Then divide. Okay? Next. Exercise tayo, no? The radius of a circle is 12. Find the length of each arc having the given degree measures. So yung radius niya is 12. Okay? Find the length of arc AD if the measure of arc AD is 60 degrees. Now substitute. Okay? Your A here is 60, then your R here is 12. I mean lowest term of 60 over by 360, that is 1/6. 2 pi times 12 is 24 pi. 1 times 24 is 24 pi. Divide by 6, then that is 4 pi. By for the length of arc AB. Okay? Next. What about for measure of arc DF equal to 45 degrees? What is the length of arc? Again, substitute, no? Your A to 45 degrees, your R to 12, no? Kasi 12 na to dito. Get the lowest term, 45 over by 360. That is 1/8. 2 times 12 is 24. 1 times 24 is 24 pi. Divide by 8. That would be equal to 3 pi. For the length of arc DF. Okay? Madali lang. Here, solve the given problem. No? If the length of arc DF is 34 pi over by 3 and its degree measure is 170 degrees, what is the radius of the circle? Radius ang nawawala, no? Substitute natin. Your length of arc DF is 34 pi over by 3. Then the measure is 170 degrees, no? Unknown pa yung radius. Get the lowest term here. We have 17 over by 360. Then 17 times 2 is 34 pi 34 degree pi pi r. Then cross multiply tayo, no? 34 pi times 36, 3 times 34 pi r. 34 times 36 is 1224 degree radius. I mean pi. 34 times 3 is 102 pi r. Then divide both by 102 pi, no? 1224 divided by 102 is equal to 12. So cancel this out. Cancel this out. Yung R natin is 12. Okay, that's it. Okay, so thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so that's all. Goodbye and God bless.